we started Deccan Exotics for the farmers where the climatic conditions are similar, drought-prone areas, water irrigation facilities are limited, but we want to do horticulture, especially the exotic fruit cultivation in the Deccan region. So we thought of our aim was to start cultivation of exotic crops. So we want to encourage farmers growing these exotic crops, gain more economical gains, and earn more money. There's a traditional thought, no, dragon fruit cannot be done in off season. No, it can be done in off season also. We can time it to the precise date. We organized this date around 1.5 months ago. So we're planning to organize this event on this day. And we made sure that the flowering is there on the day you people visit here. So we timed it precisely so that you can see the flower as well as fruit. Usually the season is from June to October, but with the off-season production, we can do it year-round and you can time it precisely. So this is very helpful for the farmers, and I think you'll be listening more about these things from the experts.
Why off-season production? The fruits which are brought from Vietnam, it is harvested by the 70% maturity. We are importing from other countries, the taste will be very worst. Eat grown from India fruit, how the taste is different. 90% mature fruit we are harvesting, that's why the fruit is tasty.
For is FPO, Farmers Products Organization, IHR giving technical guidance and support to the entire dragon fruit cultivation for all the farmers. That's why we came. That is also support letter from the IHR, Indian Institute of Horticulture, Bangalore. Finally, I accept to Dr. Rao because we should all clap for him, appreciate him. You all the risky business he did it. Thank you very much for this one.
Basically, I'm a post-harvest man. So what we have done is when Srinivas has come to us, so we thought how the fruit is behaving, whether we are on par with the world producing countries or not in aspect of post-harvest. So we wanted to study and we got attached with the college, and students are doing on that now. So even the off-season fruit which is coming, we would like to test it, the quality, shelf life, because those are very, very important, and meeting the standards of the international level, whatever the country is asking, those are very, very important.
I'm Sunita, Deputy Director of Horticulture from Department of Horticulture. As a part of our department, we are encouraging the farmers to, as being this crop requires very less water and it comes up very well in dry conditions. So a lot of farmers are coming up to take up this crop in nowadays.
I would like to thank the organizers, team Deccan Exotics. NVPGR came into the picture here, that already Dr. Srinivas has said, which is the nodal organization in the country to conserve and preserve the traditional crops, seeds, and all agri-horticulture crops. Deccan Exotics have sanctioned a project, consultancy project on the various pathological investigations of this one.
Today really it's a lovely day because lot of dragon fruit, the specific group is here, so who want to actually know more on dragon fruit. So the off-season production, the main production, the varietal differences, all of them, then again coming to processing, because whatever you harvest, so if you can't sell in the fresh, so it can be stored. So we work on post-harvest technology. So any fruit, any vegetable, you name it, so we have got technology.